Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to create cinematic photos on Google. That's right, in your Google Photos, you can actually spice up those photos and make them more, I guess, cinematic, is what they call it, on your Google Photos account. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. But first, hit the like on this video, it really helps with our channel. Also hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every week, every Thursday. Keep checking back. So last week, like I said, we covered how to create highlight on Google Photos. Maybe I didn't say that yet, but there it is. And that's basically creating highlight videos. I'll have a link down below for you to check that out. But we're going to go into how to create cinematic photos on Google. I'm showing you how to do this on my Motorola Edge Android phone. This is for a mobile device, so I'm going to show you how to do it that way. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to get out of here. You want out of this one, and you're going to go to find your Google Photos app, and you're going to scroll to here. Perfect. And now once you're in a Google Photos app, make sure you're signed into the right one. If you have multiples, you're going to go to the top, and you can tap on that plus sign. Our favorite little thing right there. And then you have your create new. So you have album, collage, highlight video, which we did last week, and there it is, cinematic photo. So you can tap on that. And once you do that, it's going to bring up all your photos like it should. And you're going to choose one. You can only choose one if you're going to do this one. So choose the one you want to do it with. I'm going to do it with this one right here because it's fun. And then I'm going to say, and then once you're done selecting, you just select by tapping that circle to the top left of the image. So when you go up to the top, you're going to say, hey, I'm going to create. So you can tap on create. And that's going to create it for you. And we're going to give it a minute. And there's some editing you can do in here too. So it's not like done, but we'll see. It's thinking about it. We'll be there in a minute, I hope. And then I'll show you how you can actually get into the editing part of it and stuff like that. But there we go. Boom. See how it kind of dramatically moves in like a cinematic thing? That's what we did. That's exactly what that is. So that's what we're going to do on this one. So it's doing all that cool stuff. If you like what you see, you can hit save at the bottom corner here, bottom right, tap save. See, I think that looks pretty cool. So you can tap on that. And it's thinking about it. I didn't tap hard enough. That was a problem. Now it's saving it. Now it'll bring this screen up. This is you can play it as many times as you want. You can go to edit it. You can add it to something or just throw it in the trash. You can share it online at the bottom there. So they give you a lot of options at the very bottom. So we're going to hit edit because I wanted to show you this. So edit will pop up. And see, you can mess around with this. You can crop it. You can adjust the coloring and stuff like that. So what I did on one of my other ones, when I did the article, which I'll have the article linked down below for you guys too. Let's say we'll put a filter. We'll put a filter on it. So you can do filters just like you do on Instagram and all the other ones. You can mess around with this. We'll make it black and white or something like that. Let's see. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Let's make it brighter. That's fun. Tap on it. Make sure there you go. It brightens it up. You can change it to this one. I'm gonna go this. Oh yeah, there you go. So you can mess around with this. And if you like what you did, I'll do this one. Let's go here. So I say, yes, I like that. So you tap X. So then you have other options. There's a lot of things you can play with there. So you want to go in here and mess with it. I like it. You can even shorten it. Obviously, you can grab that and move it back and forth to shorten it. Put it somewhere else. I want to keep it full length because it's not very long anyway. Well, almost full length. And then if you're happy with what you've done in your editing, and then let's see if there's any more. There's more. You can add music. You can put text on the screen, so if you really want to get creative, just come in here and just edit it to death. So if you're happy, tap save at the top right, and then it's going to save the video, and it should come right back out here in a second, since I'm making the thing angry. There we go. Okay, now it's saved. So it brings you back to this screen. So like I said, you can share it. Add to. What's add to do? Let's click on it. So add to, you can add it to an album, archive, or locked folder. That explains that. Or you can trash it. Well, we're happy with it. So it's already done. So there's nothing like hit save. There's 3 dots here at the top. Makes you do some loop video and all stuff like that. But you can mess around with it. It's really fun to do this, to make a cinematic photo. So you can pick your photos and make it great. So just tap the back since you've already saved it. So tap back. And so this is going to end up here. As you can see, it saves it in your photos so you can find it anytime you need it. But that is how easy it is to create a cinematic photo on your Google Photos account. So make sure you get in there and mess around with it. If you make something cool, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.